Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how you can create a professional and powerful production dashboard with the help of AI. And the best part is you can import your own production data like this in this dashboard. And in this dashboard, you can select the production line, you can see the data as per the shift, you can see the data as per the product, and you can search by the operator name. And if you see here, you can see the total output, total achievement, total OEE rate, total scrap rate, total downtime and line efficiency. So how you can create this? Let's start step by step. As you can see, we have this production data and we want to create the dashboard with the help of AI. For create the dashboard, I am using Gemini. You can use also ChatGPT or Copilot. Just click here on plus icon, click on upload file and select your production data. Just copy this prompt by press Ctrl C and you can paste here by press Ctrl V and just click on this. So it is thinking. So now code is generated. So this AI generated two type of code. First is Python and second is HTML. So we need to download HTML format. Just click on there. Our file is downloaded. Click on this, select this, and that's it. This dashboard give you a complete overview of production output, targets, efficiency, downtime, performance, and key KPI all in one place. Follow Tech Center Institute for more powerful Excel dashboard, automation, and data analysis. Thank you for watching.